Alright guys, I'm having a small problem, so every time I click this download, it's just showing me this unable to start download code blah blah blah, right? And it said visit FAQ. It could be your problem, but there's nothing wrong with my PC. I have so much space, it's not even funny. I'm opening Ubisoft support and it said live fed. Okay, so this is the issue they're having right now. Ubisoft store discount code redemption issue. Purchase and new word. So yeah, they have a lot of issue. And if you have similar issue, comment below, because I cannot download this game. I can download the demo without having problem, but I cannot download this game, the main game. Just frustrating. So yeah, thanks for watching. Maybe the server is down, that's what happened. I don't know when it's gonna back up, but I'm trying. Lost 8 hours, so yeah.